Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to learn how to make these cute 3D paper candies. For this project, you're going to need a sheet of paper. This is 2 3/4 by 3 inches, a pair of tiny scissors, some double-sided tape or glue, a marker to decorate, and some candies to fill the inside. I like to use mini M&Ms. First, let's take our sheet of paper and turn it around so that the color side is facing down towards the table away from us. Then we're going to grab some double-sided tape. Now you can use double-sided tape or glue stick. I like to use double-sided tape because there is no drying time. And also we're going to be putting candies on the inside, so I don't really want the glue to be touching the candy. So I'm going to use double-sided tape. Make sure you run it across the entirety of the sheet of paper like this. Then you're just gonna roll up the sheet of paper and you can make a skinny piece of candy or you can make a fat piece of candy. I like it to be around this height. Tape that down. Now let's flatten on the right side. Grab some tape and close up the opening. Stick it in and give it a little pinch. Then let's grab our pair of scissors and we're going to trim off any excess. And I'm also going to cut a couple of triangles right here. So one in the middle. I like to start in the middle and then work my way to the right. And then do the same thing to the left side. Now let's take our marker and we're going to decorate. So I've drawn some silly faces here. I'm going to do something very similar to this one. Some eyes. Let's do this face, whatever that face is. And then you're going to fill in your little candy. So I'm going to take some mini M&Ms. Oops. I think these are fun. Okay, and then we are going to seal the other side. Take some double-sided tape like we did earlier. Stick that in here. Give a little pinch. And now we're just going to give it a little pinch at the center. And that is how you make your 3D candy. And of course we can open it up by tearing it like this to reveal the little mini M&Ms. Yay! I squished this one by mistake. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, be sure you give this video a thumbs up and also check out some of my other tutorials as well. I have hundreds of these if you would like to learn more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!